dark, drawing cold blood, hide away. Am I scared of the thing I'm trying to find? Cross my heart, but took a U-turn, 'cause the light made my skin burn. Time after time, guess I need to say sorry. Been treating me poorly. Believe that's not story. I'm not gonna say undefeated. 6 feet underground, buried my demons. Yeah, I'll sing it. Broken and bruised, but I'm never beaten. 6 feet underground.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video, today with the Mi-17 helicopter from Russia. And finally we are back with a new mock. I know it's been a while. Today we have an helicopter, specifically the Mi-17 from Russia, as I said in the title before. I received a good amount of requests for this helicopter, so I really hope to see comments and many thumbs up under this video. So remember to give a thumbs up if you like this helicopter, and hopefully also who didn't request this specific helicopter still like it. Before watching this video, did you know about the Mi-17? Hopefully so. In today's video, as usual, I'll show you all the moving parts and peculiarities of this mock. In this case, we don't have so much to check. It's a basic helicopter and most of the features are already visible here and in the previous photos and video. But before starting, as usual, remember to check the caption of the video to find many useful links, such as the one to get the instructions to build this one and my other designs. You can find a website where you can get the full set, so you will get both instructions and parts. Only the parts third-party solution that is cheaper compared to the original ones, and the playlist with all my other designs. I made many of them, so I separated the playlist in categories, so should be easier to find what I designed until now. So yeah, I think we can start with the review of the Mi-17 now. Both models you can see here are the same identical helicopter in different camos. A more colored one, while here a full gray solution, but the mock itself is the same, so it doesn't matter which one you want to build. The shapes and features are the same, and we can check just one. It's useless to check both. And I think we may start with the rotors, because helicopters are famous because they have rotors. Rotors can obviously rotate, and just like my other helicopters, also tilt, because we have a little ball joint. Thanks to the ball joint, it can also tilt a little bit, not so much, but you can move it a little bit like this, in every direction. Then we have the back rotor that can rotate as well, so also this one can rotate. Then more features. As I told you before, there are not so many, but this one is a cargo helicopter, so we have a cargo bay door. It's a very simple one that can be simply opened, pushing this one down. From here you can see also a little bit of the inside. In this case is empty, but you may decide to add maybe seats or more details or more cargo inside. One of the best thing about this mock that I like a lot is that I was able to add these round shaped windows that are visible from both sides, so you can see inside, from the inside you can see the outside. I don't know, it's a little detail, but I really like it a lot. But one thing I want to show you is this door. On both sides, this door can be opened, So we have one here and one here, okay? I really wanted to make it work, but also to keep a beautiful shape. I needed to find a compromise, let's call it like this. The compromise is that this part of the fuselage needs to be disconnected to open the sliding door, something similar to what we did for the black oak. In this case it was more difficult because behind this section we have a window. Now this part can be disconnected as I told you before, but how? Well, if you check here, from the video I think it's pretty visible, we have a little gap, is half the height of a standard plate, and it's enough space to put your nail here. And as you can see here, there is a little gap. Thanks to this gap here and this gap here, with your finger you can disconnect this part from below. Once it's disconnected, you can remove it, and of course to reconnect it is the opposite, so you can put it in position and push it inside and reconnect it on these two brackets. As you can see here, the wall or fuselage is trans-clear just to keep this window working. This one can slide freely up until here. And now the not very beautiful part of the fuselage is hidden, so you can't see it. This one can be opened, and I don't know, I think it's the best solution I could find to make it still, to make this door working and sliding. The other solution was to make this one simply removable, so you could simply remove this one, but I don't know, I wanted to keep the sliding capability. Of course, again, it's the same on the other side, so you can disconnect this one, sliding door up until here. You can see the inside also from the side doors. And here, obviously, we also have the space for the pilots. Inside here we have two pilots. We have many instruments. As usual, you can choose your favorite stickers if you have them, or printed parts, or maybe you can use custom parts. That's up to you. These are here just to show you that there should be instruments. You can choose the one you like most. One more thing before concluding the video. Here you can see the full 1 to 35 helicopter collection. These are all the helicopters I designed until now, all at the minifigure scale. If something is still missing, and surely is missing, let me know so we can increase the number even more. And that's it. This mock has no more features. I hope you liked this video. If yes, again, remember to leave a thumbs up. Remember to check again the caption of the video. I read your comments, and yes, I'm talking about you that requested this helicopter. Leave me a comment and let me know if you are happy now, and also let the other people to see that yes, it takes time, but little by little I'll fulfill all your requests. Anytime there are many of you, I'm only one, but little by little. And that's it, the video is finished, and as usual, see you again next time with a new mock. Bye!